Ever wondered what to do with all those veggie scraps piling up in your kitchen? Instead of tossing them in the bin, you can turn them into a powerful liquid fertilizer for your garden. It's quick, easy, and gives your plants a real nutrient boost. Here's how to do it at home. First, grab a bucket or large jar with a lid. Collect vegetable scraps like carrot peels, lettuce leaves, and even coffee grounds. Just avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods as they can cause bad smells and pests. Fill your container about halfway with scraps, then cover them completely with water. Pop the lid on loosely to let gases escape during fermentation. Place the bucket somewhere shady outdoors or in a cool spot. Stir the mix every couple of days to help break things down evenly and prevent mold. After about a week, your liquid will look brown and smell a bit strong. That means it's ready to use. Strain out the solids and dilute the liquid. 1 cup of fertilizer to 10 cups of water. Pour it around the base of your veggies or flowering plants, avoiding leaves. Don't use it undiluted or you risk burning your plants. The result? Free, nutrient-rich feed for your garden, less food waste, and healthier, happier plants. Give it a go and see the difference homemade fertilizer can make in your backyard.